Hi everyone, my name is Mridul Agrawal and I would like to demonstrate a little game project that I made. I am calling this Killing Round as of now. So I was really inspired after playing games like Control and BioShock, where there is a certain game mechanics of telekinesis, where basically our player can uh, grab or pull a certain object from its environment and throw that object on some enemies to do damage to them. So I was really fascinated by witnessing that, and really wanted to build a game in which there was a telekinesis game mechanism. So I have tried to do that in this game. I would like to showcase that. So I have built a terrain in this game. Basically, there is a small hut like this in which we start. Uh, and this is our player with the cape right here, like a superhero. And there are some zombies which are spawned randomly. Within a parameter range that can be changed uh, as per the design requirements. And yeah, so the movement of enemies are implemented through nav mesh in Unity, and there are some animations attached to both enemies and our player, like running, attacking, and walking. So let me showcase the telekinesis functionality. So suppose these boxes here, if I click on them, one of the object will appear to be like this at a certain distance with respect to our player. And as you can see in the UI, in the top left corner, there is the health of our player being displayed, and on the upper right corner, there is the force being displayed, which is currently at the value of 2. So if I press my right mouse button and hold it right there, so our force will increase while our player is holding this object, this box. So the more the force, the more impactful the throw will be. So suppose okay, so it was uh, too much force, so it just flew in the sky, I guess. Let us try with some little force. So I have implemented these particle effects whenever our zombies die. This blood splatter thing, and you can see in the lower left corner there are the number of the enemies is being showcased. I have also implemented this clothes simulation for our player's cape, and and implemented various light sources like these lamps, ball lamps here, and this table lamp. Actually, we can throw these at zombies also. The table lamps, not the wall lamps. We can basically, as per design, decide which object can be used for telekinesis in our environment and which cannot be. Okay, so if I go, they will surround and attack me, and my health will. Oh yeah. So this is the death event. So I can just restart the level if I die. There is a room for a lot of improvement. I have some great ideas to build upon this, and thanks for watching.